Good afternoon, students. In last chapter, we had studied about directions and subdirections and also scale on a map. Today, we are going to learn about maps and symbols. We are able to locate places around our neighborhood with the help of direction on the maps. In the same way, symbols on the map also help us locate places. Let's learn how. There are man made and natural things around us. This picture shows a river, trees, a hill, and grass, which are natural things, and a school, a water tower, a house, and a road, which are man made things. We use symbols to show these man made and natural things on a map. Students, always remember man made things are made with the help of natural products. For example, wood from the tree is used to make chairs, tables, and benches. Take a look at this picture. It shows a house, a banyan tree, colony, Anju's friend's house, a statue, post office, a central market, park, bus stop, district hospital, hotel, Jila Parishad office, police colony, police chowki, district telephone exchange center, ice cream parlor, and Anju's school. Now, let us mark the path from Anju's house to her school in red. While doing so, we realized Anju passes through the narrow lane and the main road. Let us see where the places given in the picture lie on the narrow lane. On the narrow lane, Anju's house lies to the east. And the statue lies to the west. As she leaves her house a little further down to the north, Anju's friend's house is to the west and the banyan tree is to the east. Still further down, Jila Parishad office lies to the east and the hotel lies to the west. Further to this is the police chowki, which lies to the north. Now let us see where the places in the picture lie on the main road. While on the main road, Anju turned towards the west, which is to her left. Now the hotel which was to her west. On the narrow lane is to her south. The bus stop and the district telephone exchange center is to her north. The district hospital is to the south. Further down, the ice cream parlor is to the north, and the park is to the south. On crossing the road towards the north is Anju's school. Now tell me, in which directions will Anju have to turn to get her school? Anju will first have to turn towards the north after stepping out of her house. After reaching the main road, she will have to turn to the west, and further down after reaching her school, she will have to again towards the north. Anju's house and the surrounding places are represented in a miniature form in this picture. It does not show the real tree and the buildings. Instead, they are represented by the signs, and what the signs stand for, it's mentioned in the front. This is called a sketch map. Certain things that we see in the picture are not shown in the sketch map. We make use of many signs while preparing sketch map from a picture. To prepare a map from this picture or the sketch map, we need to provide direction, index, a title, and a scale to it. The modern things in our surrounding are not included in a map. For example, moving people and vehicles moving on the road. The directions that the roads take in our surrounding area are represented in the same way in the maps. Roads, rivers, railways are represented in the same way in a map too. Now, do you know, students, the art of map making has now advanced greatly. Our ancestors also used to make maps. They used animal skin, bones, cowries. Cowries means a small sea creature with soft body and colored shell. Okay, and also used clay, stone, and tablets to make map. Approximately 5000 years ago, there was a civilization called Mesopotamia. A clay tablet of those days showing some parts of Mesopotamia is shown in this picture. Take a look. Okay, so what we have learned today: to identify natural and man-made things. There are natural and man-made things in our surroundings. Specific signs are used while creating a map from a picture. Okay. Thank you, students. Stay safe at home.